The recent project down in Weston-super-Mare started with an inquiry from the repair shop, a BBC programme. So it's Walker and Ling's, a department store, an old cash desk system. So if you like, it would have worked in rather than having checkouts around the store, they've had one cashier set upstairs or one central location, collecting all the invoices, receipts and cash for the customers and sending the change back to different areas of the store. We had to upgrade the system a little bit to give it a little different, slightly different control, which just meant running some cables downstairs. Once we've got that, hooked up a smaller, more efficient motor onto it, we got some carriers upwards and down, up and down through the system, which was obviously great. Refurbishment of the carriers, which we did in-house in our stores factory here, and yeah, just gave it all a good once over really. The terminal on the shop floor, we were able to find some paint that was a pretty good match to the original colour, paint it all up, clean it all up, and preserve it, but get it working. And obviously then eventually that led to the reveal, which was filmed again by the BBC. Yeah, quite an exciting day really. So Dom was there, one of the main presenters from the show, obviously heavily involved. Really nice fella to chat to. He's got an obvious genuine interest in engineering types of systems, but yeah, just a really down-to-earth, decent fella to work with, as we're all a production team, to be fair. They're all good people to work with. Obviously, once we got it all up and running, with some challenges away, that was great. And when we did the final reveal, that was obviously very satisfying. Interesting to see an old staff member who used to look after the system there. That was great. And in a funny kind of way, I kind of missed it because it's so different a job to what we're normally doing. To not go back there the following day felt a bit odd, but yes, it was really something good to be involved in.